Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Monday the 21st of July 2025. From our studios in Jamaica, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at our surface analysis here with Dominica, in the yellow circle here, we can see the axis of a tropical wave which moved across the Lesser Antilles during today as it continues into the Caribbean Sea. However, of interest here is this area. This is a tropical wave with a low pressure center which is being monitored by the National Hurricane Center, which is expected to approach the area sometime late Tuesday and into Wednesday, with another tropical wave following in the Central Atlantic. Now, this is the projection given, and as of 2 p.m., this wave shows a 10% chance of development during the next 2 to 7 days, and that's a low chance of development into a tropical cyclone during the next 2 to 7 days. We have Dominica here in the green circle. Regardless of development, this wave is expected to produce increased rainfall activity and possible thunderstorms across the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica, during Tuesday, late Tuesday into Wednesday, as well as Thursday. Now, let's take a look at the moisture associated with these features. Here we can see the moisture of the axis of that first tropical wave, the moisture associated with that first tropical wave as it continues into the Caribbean Sea. And this here is that tropical wave which we are monitoring right now, and is expected to move through the area from late Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday as well. And this here is expected to bring an increase in moisture levels across the area from late Tuesday, resulting in an increase in shower activity as well as thunderstorm activity. So we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise caution during the passage of this wave. Now let's take a look at the Saharan air layer or Siren Dust. And this Siren Dust is interacting with this tropical wave here as it continues to prevent the development of that wave. So we are seeing an increase in Siren Dust concentration ahead of that tropical wave, and also to the north of that tropical wave, and also behind the axis of that tropical wave. So this here shows the area of moisture associated with that tropical wave as it approaches the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica. So a lot of Siren Dust out in the Atlantic, preventing the development of tropical cyclones at this time. Now let's take a look at earlier satellite imagery. Here we can see patches of low level clouds ahead of that tropical wave here, and this is the area of cloudiness associated with that tropical wave as it continues on its westward track towards the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica. So Dominica in a yellow circle, as we will be at yellow vigilance. That means that you should be aware that severe weather could impact you by late Tuesday and into Wednesday and Thursday as well. So taking a closer look, here we can see that Dominica did experience increased cloudiness during today. This resulted in generally cloudy skies across the island. Now let's take a look at radar imagery. As you can see here, an increase in shower activity across most of the Lesser Antilles in association with a tropical wave which moved across the area during today. However, most of the significant showers, which is light to moderate showers, were observed across the extreme southern portion of the island chain. Now tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy, hazy and breezy at times, for a few scattered showers with temperatures expected to be down to 25 degrees Celsius on the coast and 23 degrees Celsius in the interior. And tomorrow's weather expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy, hazy and occasionally breezy, with some scattered showers at first, becoming increasingly cloudy with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms. And these thunderstorms could begin affecting the island by Tuesday afternoon. Now, sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking up to 7 feet. Not much of concern for sea conditions at this time. High tide tomorrow will be at 1:47 a.m. and 3:43 p.m. and low tide will be at 9:09 a.m. and 7:51 p.m. Now looking ahead for the next 3 days. Tomorrow, Tuesday, partly cloudy to cloudy skies and slightly hazy conditions with a few scattered showers and occasionally breezy conditions as well, expecting tomorrow. However, as we move into tomorrow afternoon, we expect to see an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and the chance of isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that tropical wave. And then as we move into Wednesday, we expect to see generally cloudy to overcast skies with light to moderate scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that tropical wave. And as you can see, from Wednesday and Thursday, we had yellow vigilance. That means that we are expecting a low threat of rainfall and thunderstorm activity. So again, we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise caution during the passage of this wave, which is expected to bring an increase in shower activity and also thunderstorm activity across the island, and hence increasing the risk of flooding across the island as well, especially in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks. A relative increase in wind speeds can be expected from Wednesday, with winds going from 35 km per hour on Tuesday, increasing to 40 km per hour on Wednesday as well as Thursday. And also we expect to see an increase in wave heights, with wave heights going from 7 feet up to 8 feet on Wednesday and Thursday. And as a result, a small cat advisory will be in effect for above normal seas. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:45 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:39 p.m. Again, stay informed, stay safe. Follow us on our WhatsApp channel by scanning this QR code here, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram by searching Dominica Met, or visit our website at weather.gov.dm for up-to-date weather information. Remember, stay informed, stay safe, be prepared as we are in hurricane season. See you next time.